Most people get this wrong when applying for a Walmart credit card. They rush through the application, miss important details, and then wonder why they get delayed or even denied. Here's the truth no one tells you. The application process is actually simple when you know exactly what to expect. In this video, you'll learn how to apply for a Walmart credit card in 2026, what information you'll need, and a few important tips that can help make the process smoother. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do from start to finish. Let's get right into it. The easiest way to apply is online. Start by visiting Walmart's official website or opening the Walmart app. Look for the credit card section and select the option to apply. Once you're on the application page, you'll be asked to provide some basic information. This typically includes your full name, address, phone number, email address, date of birth, and income information. Make sure everything is accurate before moving forward. But here's the problem. Many people rush through this step and accidentally enter incorrect information. Even a small typo can create delays during the review process. Next, carefully review the card details. Credit card terms can change over time, so it's important to understand any applicable interest rates, fees, rewards, and benefits before submitting your application. Now here's where it gets interesting. In many cases, applicants may receive a decision within minutes. For example, Alex completes the application, submits it, and receives an approval decision almost immediately. However, some applications may require additional review, which can take longer. This is where most people fail. They assume something is wrong if they don't get an instant answer. In reality, additional verification is a normal part of the process for some applicants. In a minute, I'll share a simple tip that can improve your overall application experience. Before submitting your application, double-check that your contact information is current. If the card issuer needs additional information, they'll need a reliable way to reach you. This small step can prevent unnecessary delays. Another important point is to apply only when you're ready to manage a credit account responsibly. A credit card can be useful for purchases and rewards, but it should always be used within your budget. Now, for the simple tip. Before applying, gather all your information in advance. Having your identification details, address history, and income information ready can make the entire process much faster and easier. To recap, visit the Walmart website or app, find the credit card application page, enter accurate personal information, review the terms carefully, submit your application, and watch for a decision or follow-up request. You now know exactly how to apply for a Walmart credit card in 2026. If this guide helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more Walmart tutorials and money-saving tips, and leave a comment below with any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.